Still vacuuming and mopping manually in 2026? Robot vacuums have evolved way beyond basic dust pickup. The newest models vacuum, mop, self-clean, and even empty themselves. These are the top 5 robot vacuum and mop combos actually worth your money this year. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra is built for people who want a nearly hands-free cleaning system. It combines powerful suction with an advanced mopping system that applies consistent pressure to remove dried stains instead of just lightly wiping floors. The docking station handles automatic dustbin emptying, mop washing, and even mop drying, which significantly reduces maintenance. Its smart mapping system scans your home accurately, avoids obstacles efficiently, and allows room-specific cleaning through the companion app. It performs well on both carpets and hard floors, adjusting suction automatically when needed. The overall cleaning pattern feels thorough and methodical rather than random. For households with pets, kids, or high-traffic areas, this type of automation saves serious time each week. If you're looking for a premium all-in-one solution, check the description below for links and current pricing. The ECOVACS DEEBOT EGGS 11. OmniCyclone focuses on deep suction power and advanced debris separation. Its strong motor helps lift embedded dirt from carpets while maintaining effective mopping performance on hard floors. The OmniCyclone system enhances dust collection efficiency and reduces clogging inside the unit. It features intelligent navigation that scans and maps rooms quickly, allowing you to set no-go zones and custom cleaning routines. The docking station handles dust emptying and mop maintenance, keeping daily upkeep minimal. It also includes obstacle detection that helps it navigate around furniture and smaller objects without constant intervention. For homes with mixed flooring types and frequent dirt buildup, this model balances power and automation effectively. You'll find the purchase links in the description below. The Roborock Saros 10R emphasizes precision cleaning and advanced AI-driven navigation. It uses intelligent sensors to detect obstacles, cords, and furniture, while maintaining smooth path planning across rooms. The suction power is strong enough to handle pet hair and fine debris, while the mopping system applies consistent pressure for better stain removal. The dock handles dustbin emptying and mop cleaning automatically, reducing manual involvement. It transitions efficiently between carpet and hard floors, adjusting settings based on surface type. App control allows scheduling, room targeting, and cleaning history tracking. It feels like a smart home appliance rather than just a cleaning tool. If you want a high-end robot vacuum that combines performance with advanced mapping intelligence, check the description below for links and availability. The MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller stands out with its roller-style mopping system designed for more aggressive scrubbing compared to flat mop pads. This helps remove tougher dirt from hard surfaces while still offering strong vacuum suction. Its navigation system maps rooms effectively and allows custom cleaning zones. The docking station manages dust disposal and mop care, reducing daily effort. It performs especially well in kitchens and high-spill areas, where deeper mopping action is useful. The combination of suction and scrubbing gives it an edge for homes that need more than light surface cleaning. For users who prioritize mopping performance alongside vacuuming, this is a compelling option. Check the description below for links and current pricing. The eufy E25 offers a more accessible entry into the vacuum and mop combo category, while still delivering solid performance. It provides consistent suction for everyday debris and handles light mopping tasks effectively. Its navigation system is reliable for structured cleaning paths, and the compact design allows it to fit under furniture easily. While it may not include the most advanced dock automation found in premium models, it keeps maintenance straightforward. It works well for apartments or smaller homes, where full-scale automation may not be necessary. The app support allows scheduling and basic customization for daily routines. If you want reliable automated cleaning without stepping into ultra-premium pricing, you can find the purchase links in the description below. Robot vacuum and mop combos in 2026 are smarter and more automated than ever. Whether you want full hands-free cleaning or a practical everyday solution, there's an option here that fits your home. Subscribe for more smart home recommendations and check the description below for all the links.